Oh, there's some sort of stone fruit taste. So this is my first co-fermented beans. Coconut, pineapple, lemon, mango. Now what I noticed recently, whoa, that sweetness is very well rounded, kind of like a coconut. So what I notice is, depending on different temperature and how many seconds of pre-infusion I use for my machine, I'm able to pull different flavors from different beans. Right now, I got it set for like really good light beans, slightly lower temperature, around like 95 degrees, 12-second pre-infusion time, and I'm getting coconut sweetness. I've not gotten the pineapple, lemon, or mango yet, but it's my first cup, so we'll see. Alright, so I just had my second cup of the day of this Co-Ferment. I think it's called Tropical Splash. Frothed the milk first, and then went to purge the machine to cool it down. Might have not cooled it fully, so the temperature might be higher. And this time I got the pineapple taste with a little bit of sweetness that follows. It actually tastes a little bit like a little pineapple cake.